In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to set up a war room and gather people in the war room. First, we'll cover the fastest way to get people together using an instant war room. Then, we'll step through the details of scheduling or joining a war room, including sending invitations in iCalendar format. The fastest way to get people together in TechLive is to use an instant war room from the My TechLive dashboard. For a problem you recently raised or owned, click Instant War Room. A war room launches, and the agenda is filled in with default information. The problem from which we launched the Instant War Room is listed as the issue to be addressed, though we could add or remove problems from here. To invite others to our war room, we click Invite in the upper left corner. We then enter an email address, or for an existing TechLive user, a nickname if we know it. Our invitee, Jim, then receives an email with a link to respond to our invitation. He can join immediately and can either create a TechLive account for himself or skip registration and just join the war room. He's then taken to our war room, where he's listed using his email user ID as his nickname, without disclosing his full email address. To leave the war room, Jim can click Log Out. And now we'll step through a more detailed example of scheduling a war room. From the My TechLive dashboard, we can schedule a war room under the War Room tab. We assign a meeting topic and again can invite people by their email address or, if they're TechLive users, by their nicknames. We can start the meeting now or schedule it for a later time and date. We can assign a duration and have the option of entering audio conference dial-in and passcode information. We then get to select from a list of our problems which problem or problems we'd like to focus on in this session. We send the invitations and see that our session was successfully scheduled. We could click on the topic to edit the session or join from here as well. For a more detailed example of joining a meeting, we'll look at the other link in the email Jim received to receive the invitation in iCalendar format. This lets TechLive send calendaring information in a format used by popular email clients such as Outlook, Lotus Notes, and Gmail. A link is given to check the full list of supported applications. After enabling this, Jim can receive a calendar invitation, accept it, and have the session automatically added to his calendar. And this concludes this tutorial on setting up a war room and gathering people in it.